Hello guys, Khalid Davids here, and today we've got for Tronsmart 25 watt 360 degree surround sound speaker with 15 hours of playtime. I'll leave links to this on Amazon in the description. It's got 5,200 milliamp battery which has a 15-hour playtime, touch controls, a nice cylindrical and woven mesh design. It's also water resistant, and DSP technology allows for a richer audio experience, but we'll be the judge of that. So now let's quickly unbox this. Nice. Magnetic slip. Okay, we've got a little warranty card with all the emails for support number. That's the sign of good customer service. Here we've got the speaker itself. It's got a nice size to it, a nice weight. And here on the side, we've got our accessories. So far, I'm quite impressed. Okay, so we've got a quick user manual explaining all the features of the products. We've got an aux cable, also we can connect a non-Bluetooth device to our phone, and we've got a micro USB to charge this device. And finally, we have the device itself. Yeah, it's got a base radiator here. It's got a nice wheel design, clicky buttons. And here's our little flap for our aux port and USB. So far, it seems pretty high quality. Start off with Bike Life. So we can get a good idea of the bass, the mids, and some of the highs. Let's go. Ooh. I think you feel that it's vibrating the camera. Yeah. We can also adjust the volume here. That radius moving, that bass. That's a subwoofer actually. Living inside there. Okay, we're gonna change it to some EDM. Get ready for the bass drop in 3, 2, 1. That's pretty nice bass. You see that? This is on max volume. This is about 50%. Then max volume. It's quite loud for a speaker this size. It's got a nice indicator next to it when it's on max or when it's increasing. We're gonna get one more song. Okay, final one.
Young money, young money, young money, young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my time.
You see it's quite great in the camera itself. Just that great face. Very deep.
Come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Shimmy, 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 yeah, shimmy, yeah. Bad girls gon' swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist in it, bitch. My dicky ring bigger than this. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills.
Okay. That was a quick sound test of Teotronics 25-watt 360-degree Bluetooth speaker. Links will be in the description. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace.